How to fix PS5 Error NW-102307-3. Here are some helpful tips that would help you fix PS5 Error NW-102307-3. 1. Pay a visit to the official PSN status page and see if there was / any reported server failure or maintenance. If so, take a break and have a cup of tea. 2. Save your work, then try restarting your PlayStation 5 and connect your console to a fast, stable, home network using a wired connection as much as possible. See reasons below. Notes: 1. You may need to reconfigure the network settings again. 2. Google tips re how to speed up internet connection. 3. For Wi-Fi based players, review the installation location. We kindly recommend: 1. Bringing your PS5 closer to your router. 2. Removing anything interrupting the connection between your devices. 4. Turn off your router or modem, if any, and wait at least 5 minutes, then restart it. Refer to the following picture to safely remove the power cable. 5. Backup existing router settings. Update the firmware of your router, perform router upgrade. For details on how to update, please contact the router vendor or Google/review your own router manual. 6. If possible, try forwarding the following ports in your own router: TCP, 80, 443, 3478, 3479, 3480 and UDP, 3478, 3479, 4915265535. For help with port opening and router settings, please contact your ISP, internet service provider, or Google some free tips on the web. 7. In the network settings on your PS5 console, use a static IP address instead. 8. Try changing DNS settings temporarily, use a different DNS server instead. 9. You need to leave your PS5 console for a while and cool it down, and you may play some Xbox apps in this period.